Well, this photo sent in by Claudia Fouch last night, absolutely showing a beautiful sunset. Lots of coloration there with a few clouds here and there. However, this morning we got a lot more sunshine and very few clouds. Overlooking Lake Decatur, brought to you by Roto-Rooter. Just a beautiful sunrise out across the area, and realistically a beautiful day to at least look at. Not necessarily a great temperature-wise. Where right now we're sitting at about 16 degrees here in Decatur, but it's feeling like 7 degrees, feeling like -1 in Champaign, and only 2 degrees out in Edgar County there in Paris. So yes, very, very cold to our start to our day across central Illinois, but the winds aren't necessarily strong. Only between about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Just goes to show as temperatures continue to drop, you don't really need that much of a strong wind gust to talk about temperatures dropping off drastically. We're already starting to see that across the area. Satellite radar going to continue to keep us dry. A few clouds here and there today, but otherwise just expect a lot of sunshine with very little things to impede it. In fact, all the clouds remain up towards Michigan, and that's also where the opportunity to snow is, even out towards Buffalo, New York, where some areas are already starting to report in over 70 inches of snow. So yes, we had our fair share of flurries here, but at least it's nothing like what Buffalo's dealing with right now. No, instead, what's down towards Springfield, Missouri, a high pressure down that way will move through. So eventually, this Arctic-like air, we're actually on the back end of it. Because today we do get back into the mid-30s, but you're going to notice the cooler weather now up towards Buffalo and Detroit, who continues to see some of that snow. Meanwhile, we're right on the fringe of this, because as we start to head into the next several days, you're going to notice we're starting to see a ridge. That just simply means warmer weather is on the way. And luckily, the jet stream starts to balance out, and we really start to talk about some of that warmer weather going into about even Thanksgiving Day. We're still expected to be around 50 degrees. However, then in comes a low pressure, and you're going to notice a little bit more of a trough. So by the time we get into next weekend, yes, temperatures drop quite a bit, back below average, but it doesn't come necessarily with a bunch of rain chances. Instead, we're still talking a lot of sunshine. Futurecast is going to continue to keep us dry through today. Expect that sunshine through Monday, Tuesday, even for the beginning portion of your Wednesday even. Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, we can see a few more clouds start to roll in the morning before we see a quick chance for precipitation by the time we get in the afternoon. You're going to notice very isolated at this point in time. In fact, recent model runs have it a bit more east of us. However, I did leave it in that forecast to expect a chance of rain for Thanksgiving itself. So as you head out the door, maybe a light jacket as temperatures will be in the 50s, but keep that umbrella handy just in case. We'll continue to track that opportunity of precipitation going forward. As of right now, it's trending very nice for us as many of us look to stay dry. Tonight, 25 degrees, freezing and breezy, but your same Area 70 forecast does have us getting back in the mid-50s there Wednesday. Taking a little bit of a dip because of the cloud cover by the time we get in Thanksgiving Day, but temperatures really dropping going into Saturday, back below our average of about 47 degrees as we sit right around 40.